Namaskaram and welcome to all the lovely ladies. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive hand-woven sarees. Started in the year 2012 from Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu, now we have 17 stores all across South India, in Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Be it the prices, the collection or the quality, we do not compromise on anything and always provide the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest VML store to have a look at the beautiful interior and lovely collections of sarees too. So ladies, today's episode is going to be about beautiful, very rich and very royal Kanchipattu sarees, and I will be showing you a first saree now. Our first beautiful saree is in green and blue color and it's a lovely Kanchi tissue saree. Let's get started with the body. The body of this one has florals and leaves jal, and we have very beautiful gold zari work all over the body, giving it a very lovely shine. The border, which is in blue color, has leaves on the edge, and then we have very small florals and leaves jal. Then we also have this beautiful florals and leaves jal here in gold zari, and then cross lines with small floral buttis on the edge. The beautiful pallu has leaves on the edge, and then we have wavy lines with cross lines. We also have beautiful florals and leaves jal. We have curvy lines and we have diamonds. We also have beautiful floral brocade work. There's the beautiful contrasting blouse for your beautiful saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. We provide global courier service and cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. This one is a very lovely violet with pink color Kanchipattu saree, and on the body we have floral buttis in cross checks in silver zari. On a beautiful pink color border, we have leaves on the edge, and then we have polkas in very small boxes. We also have zigzag lines and cross lines in copper zari, and then we have this beautiful florals and leaves jal in a copper and silver zari combination, which is looking extremely beautiful. We again have floral buttis in small boxes and then diamonds here too. Our lovely contrasting pallu in pink color has paisley buttis and lines, and we have cross lines detailing in gold zari. So we have a combination of silver, gold and copper zari on this saree. We also have this florals and diamonds brocade work all over a pallu in gold zari. Here's the beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color for violet color saree, and this blouse has self-embossed floral buttis on it. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, the weavers prices are available only for limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. This one is a very vibrant yellow with pink color Kanchipattu saree, and on the body we have gold zari floral buttis. The gold zari looks very subtle on yellow color, but it looks extremely rich and royal too. On the beautiful bright pink color border, we have cross lines and wavy lines on both the sides in gold zari, and then we have florals and leaves jal, and inside floral buttis we have beautiful peacock buttis in yellow self-embossed work. We also have gold zari kadi on a border. A beautiful contrasting pallu in pink color has florals in lines, and then we have small diamonds in gold zari. We also have floral buttis on cross lines in gold zari, and then we have floral brocade work in cross diamond check. Here's the beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color for your lovely yellow saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, these videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, so please don't forget to watch and share it with your friends and family too. Our next beautiful saree is in bright orange with magenta color, and let's get started with the body. The body has round floral buttis and peacock buttis in gold zari and cross checks created with leaves and florals. Our border in magenta color has temples in gold zari, and then we have cross lines here. There is also small floral buttis in small boxes, and then we have this peacock buttis with florals and leaves jal detailing. We also have yalis here, and then we again have cross lines and beautiful florals and leaves jal in gold zari. The contrasting pallu has beautiful dollar buttis in very small boxes, and then we have peacocks with florals. A lot of intricate detail work is there. There are small paisleys also, and then we have florals in cross diamond checks brocade work. Here's a beautiful contrasting blouse in magenta color for your orange saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. You can also shop for our sarees by clicking on these links mentioned in the description box. These links will take you to our website, that is kanchivml.com. There you can add this saree and many more such beautiful sarees to your cart and place the orders right away. Here's the next beautiful lovely sari in pink and green color, and let me show you the body of it. The body has very small floral buttees in gold zari, giving it a very pretty, very refreshing look. Our border, which is in green color, has very small leaves on the edge, and then we have this polkas in very small boxes. We have round floral buttees with florals and leaf jal on the edge, and then we have diamonds in gold zari on the edge of the border. Our contrasting pallu has beautiful floral brocade work in gold zari all over it. And here is the contrasting green blouse for your lovely pink sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. We have 17 stores of Varamahalakshmi Silks all over South India in Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So please visit your nearest VML store to have a look at the beautiful saris and amazing interiors too. Here's a beautiful pink with purple color, beautiful Kanchipattu sari just for you. On the body, we have silver zari, florals and leaves jal, giving it a very refreshing, very young look. On a beautiful purple color border, we have very small zigzag lines, and we have florals and small boxes in silver zari. We also have peacocks with florals and leaves jal here, and then we have zigzag lines all over it again. We also have florals and leaves jal, once again very different, beautiful work with peacocks. The contrasting pallu for this sari has leaves on the edge, and then we have florals in boxes with small zigzag lines. We also have peacocks with florals and leaf style, and then beautiful floral brocade work in cross checks. Here's a lovely contrasting blouse for the beautiful pink sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. We provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The weavers' prices are only valid for limited amount of times. Please hurry up and place your orders right away. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, so please don't forget to watch and share. And also we have 17 stores all across South India, so please visit your nearest VML store now. So dear lovely ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode about Royal Kanchipattu sarees. I tried to show you so many variations in colors and price ranges too. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.